How to turn off or disable Windows Defender in your Windows 11 or 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off or disable the Windows Defender in Windows 11 or 10. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you can just go ahead and open up your desktop, and once you're here, you can just open up your settings, and once you open up your settings, head over to Update and Security. Once you reach over to Update and Security, here you need to go ahead and locate this option called Windows Security, this one right here on the third. You can just go ahead and select that, and once that is done, just wait for the screen to be loaded up. You'll be finding these options here. So look for this very first option that says Virus and Threat Protection. Once that is clicked, you will be finding this windows on your screen. So under this section, you just need to scroll a bit, and under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, locate this option called Manage Settings with the blue icons. Just go ahead and tap on it. And the next thing you're going to do is simply go ahead and disable each of them. You can just go ahead and disable each of them so that it will turn off the protection from your computer and allow you to download any kind of third-party applications into your device. Other than that, the next method we can apply up in order to, turn off the thing, you can just go ahead and open up your run. You can just click Windows plus R and this will appear on the screen, and type in regedit there, and your registry editor should be opened up. So under this section, go to HKey local machine, drop it down, and under that, go ahead and locate up software, and again, drop it down. And under software, go ahead and locate up policies, and drop down policies as well. And under policies, locate this option called Microsoft. You can just go ahead and drop down Microsoft as well. After that, go ahead and select this Windows Defender right here, and this time right click on it and select new, and then select this keyword 32-bit value. After that, you're gonna type in the bit. So here you just need to type in the thing that I'm showing on the screen right now, which is disable anti-spyware. After that is typed in, you can just double click on it, and you're gonna make up the value data 1 and click on OK. And after that is done, just restart your device for once, and you should be finding the changes in your device. So that is how you turn off or disable the Windows Defender in your Windows 11 or 10 by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.